Good morning all of you. I am Stigdha Mati. I am teaching English in Vivekananda Public School. Today we will start our second lesson of English literature book, chapter 2. The topic is your cats sleep anywhere. Okay, what is your topic? Cats sleep anywhere. Here in this poem we will discuss about a cat. For the cat there is no place, there is not a particular place. The cat can sleep anywhere. It may be branches of tree, box, house, shoes, cupboard, drawer, anything. So let us start our poem. The dear students, all of you take out your English literature book, open page number 15. Okay, page number 15. Now I will read the poem, then after that I will explain. Cats sleep. Cats sleep anywhere. Any table, any chair. Top of piano, window ledge. In the middle, on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoe. Anybody's top will do. Okay. So first of all we will discuss our first paragraph. Then we will discuss second paragraph. Second line. Cats sleep anywhere. Cat can sleep anywhere. You just at your home the cats are there. Where they live? They can live. When you are asleep they can come to your bed also. They can sleep under the bed. They can sleep bench, desk, shoes, anywhere. So cats have no particular place. They can sleep anywhere. Any table, any chair. There is no special table. They don't need any special table or nothing. So any table, what type of table? It may be center table, it may be long table, it may be short table. Where they can sleep. Any chair, it may be small, may be big. They can adjust there. So top of the piano. All of you know piano. What is the meaning of piano? It's a musical instrument where the cat can slowly come and take sleep. Okay. So top of the piano. Here suppose see this picture. Dear students, see this picture. This is your piano. This is your piano. Where the cat is? On the top of the piano. Okay. Next. Window ledge. In the middle, on the edge. Window ledge. See, what is the meaning of ledge? It's the base of the window. Here. Where is the cat sleep? In the ledge of the window. And on the edge. Window ledge, in the middle, on the edge. Window ledge. See, this is your window. Window ledge. In the middle. See, the cat is neither left nor right. It's sleep in where? In the middle. In the edge. It's a sleep in the edge. Okay. Next come to last line. Open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's top will do. Open drawer means suppose you have a bench, a desk or table. There is a drawer will be there. If by mistakenly you open that drawer, the cat saw and she just adjust there and sleep. There is a particular place they don't need. If any space, little bit space also, they can squeeze themselves and sit. And most of the little children love the home cat because the force is very soft and they can squeeze and sleep in the open drawer. Okay. Next, empty shoes. Empty shoes means suppose you are keeping your shoes in outside. There is no inside, there is no socks, neither nobody is there. Then there is little bit. That does not mean that a long and big cat will be there. No. According to the size, they can sleep there also. Okay. What is top will do. Any tops, anybody's. The cat, they can sleep on the top, the ground, shoes, desk, bench, table, anywhere. Okay, then we will start our second paragraph. Okay. Fitted in a cardboard box in the cupboard with your frocks anywhere. Fitted in a cardboard box. Fitted means what? You will adjust there. Your body, the cat's body will adjust in that particular place, that particular box. Cardboard, we are preparing a cardboard. Suppose we are preparing a box, a cardboard. There is also cat can enter and sleep. In the cupboard, in the wall where we will make a cupboard, also if that door will be open, little bit open also, the cat can go inside and take place. What? Where it may sleep? With your frocks, your clothes inside the cupboard. But cat doesn't think that. Just enter and sleep in your frocks. It may be your frock, maybe your mother's sari, father's dress, whatever may be. It's just go inside and take sleep. Anywhere the cat can sleep. Next, they don't care. They don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. So cat, they are not care about where they will sleep, where they will stand, where they will keep adjust in their box. So they can sleep. The cats, who is they? Cats. Cats can sleep. Where? Anywhere, any place they can sleep. So we will read again this poem. Okay, first. Cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair. The top of piano, windowless. In the middle, on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoe. Anybody's top will do. Fitted in a cardboard box in the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere. They don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. See the pictures. See the picture. Cat can sleep anywhere. See. Then in the table. See that in the table they also there. Then on the top of the piano, the cat is also sleep on the top of the piano. Next, in the middle, window lace in the middle, on the edge, in the window lace is here. It is not in it, neither left nor right, in the center. Next, open drawer. Where is your drawer? In the box, drawer is also there. If drawer is open, the cat sees. See the picture. The cats are inside the drawer. Next. Empty shoes. See, shoes are here. If the cat is very small, it can adjust also here. Okay. Next. Anybody's top will do fitted in a cardboard box. See, the cardboard box is also here and it's also fitted in a cardboard box and chair. Next. With your frocks anywhere. They don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. This is your cupboard. If it's little bit open, the cat can go inside and sleep there. Okay? So, now we will do our book work. That is number 1. Recite this poem. We already read 2 poems 2 times. You will practice the poem at your home. Next, come to number 2. Circle all the preposition in the poem. In this poem, there is a circle. You have to find out how many prepositions are there and you will make a circle. Okay. So, now cat sleep anywhere, any table, any chair. Top of piano, windowless. In the middle, on the edge. So, first preposition is your, who can say? Yes, in. In. Then on the edge. On. Then open drawer, empty shoe. Anybody's top will do. Fitted in a cardboard box in the cupboard with your frogs. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. So two prepositions are there. You will circle it. Also, in fitted in a box, there you will also circle it. How many prepositions are there? And in the cupboard. Now tell me students, in this poem how many prepositions are you have? 4 prepositions. How many prepositions? 4. Okay. Then come to number 3. Where do cats sleep? Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. In a basket, on the board, anywhere. Okay. In a basket. In a basket, on the bed, or anywhere. Now in our poem, what we are reading? There is no particular space for the cat in a basket or on the table. But if we will say anywhere, that answer goes to all. Anywhere. Maybe basket, maybe bed. So the answer is your anywhere. Tick anywhere. Okay. Next come to number 4. Write the rhyming words for lace. Lace, rhyming words. We will do our rhyming words. Okay. First word is your lace. L-E-D-G-E. Now tell me students, in this poem, rhyming word is also here. Yes. Yes, you can say yes. On the S. Lace. S. E-D-G-E-S. Okay. Next. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Now tell me students, which is your rhyming word? Which is your rhyming word? Shoe. Do. Do. Okay. Next. Box. Box. B-O-X. Box. Now tell me students, what is the word? Here box. What is the rhyming words? Yes. Frogs. F-R-O-C-K-S. Again I am repeating the rhyming word. Lace. S. E-D-Z-E. S. Shoe. Do. D-O. Do. Box. Frogs. Okay. Now in this today we will complete our chapter 2 and also bookwork. Now I want to ask one question. Tell me students, cat sleeps where? In the outside, inside or anywhere? Yes, outside, inside or anywhere? Yes, anywhere. Anywhere, it's also meaning to, it may be inside the house, may be outside the house. Okay. Now, if your window is open, then cat will sleep where? In the middle of the lace. Okay. So, before we are ending this chapter, I will say you just read the poem and remember the poem and do whatever today we are doing in this bookwork. You will write it, and till then all of you have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.